Never should have had the mulled wine first and then did the video.
It's a very special Christmas TLDR with me, the Grumpy Christmas Memes. You put me in that sweater, I'll kill you. I'll kill all of you.
Ooh, it is brisk today in Tokyo. Ooh. We are going to be filming a video today all about
Christmas in Japan.
I paused because they were like, bang, 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 bang. Okay, we're trying again. Ready?
I can't do this, girl.
Yes, you can. Okay, ready? Gosh golly, it is cold.
Yep.
Ducky, I think today is the day that we should do a video on Christmas in Japan.
It's only right.
Let's tell people what it's all about on the coldest possible day in Tokyo. We could have filmed this a week ago when it was warm and 18.
Even, it was 20 degrees a few days ago.
But we were like, let's wait until almost Christmas to freeze our butts outside.
Let's warm up with some coffee.
Okay.
Here,
Thanks.
it's for your lap.
Thanks, love. Love you.
We even got samples. It's
Ooh.
Christmas cheer.
What we got here, girl?
Oh, this looks like green slime and red slime and Halloween.
This doesn't feel like Christmas at all. This feels sad. So we're gonna try to warm up now with some Starbucks drinks, which again, if we just shot last week, it would be really nice weather, but now we're cold and hunched over and the Christmas cheer is lost on us. Well, what I have is a gingerbread latte, which a lot of you might know, and you have a green sludge latte. What is that?
So
Where's the Christmas in that?
looks like it's got blood seeping down.
That looks like a
through
murdered
green.
Shrek.
Okay, hang on.
All right.
Oh my god, it's like so good.
Merry Christmas to the ground.
Merry Christmas to the ground. This is supposed to be something pistachio related, like pistachio Merry Christmas, and
Yes.
it took me a surprisingly long time to figure out why pistachio would be part of the Christmas theme. Kurisamasu pancake. That's not Christmas. That's just normal pancakes. And then you drew a face on the whipped cream. That's it. Look. Normal. Christmas. Normal. What is this atrocity? So what's happening here? Pistachio seems to be the theme this year. What's with pistachio and Christmas? Is it because it's green? That's it. Green and red.
You solved it, Sherlock. You cracked the case yet again.
I tried to use my pipe and I'm like, how do you smoke a corncob pipe?
Because I'm not used to having pistachio for Christmas.
Yeah.
At all.
So when we talk about Christmas flavors with each other, what are things that come to mind for you, like if you were to describe it to somebody?
You mean what I grew up with or what I saw in the media that I thought they were supposed to have? Because you're supposed to have gingerbread, you're supposed to have like warm cinnamon and apples and mulled wines. And I had none of that shit growing up, but I saw it in movies and I thought that's what people are supposed to have for Christmas.
Okay, so
I thought that was like regular.
this is the ghost of bitter Christmas past.
No, you know, my flavors of Christmas were like turkey and mashed potatoes and cranberry.
Yeah, same
It's
with me.
just like Easter.
Yep.
The only difference is that my dad would buy O. Henry bars from the Book Barn and he would hide them in the garage
Yes.
up until like Christmas Eve because he knew that if they were in the house beforehand that I'd eat them shits and then he'd bring them into the house frozen solid, like you were chewing on chocolate bones.
Volume needs to go
That's
way
my
down here.
Christmas
Past an excitement.
memory.
It still sounded like
I
the
love
ghost
it.
of Christmas past.
I still ask my parents if they could mail me some because I miss that Christmas flavor.
Okay, so
All right.
that got really specific.
Yes.
Most
Christmas
people,
flavors.
I mean, I really have no relation for you except for turkey and cranberry sauce.
Turkey and
gravy.
cranberry sauce.
Eggnog, which our family never drank. Cod apple cider, which our family also didn't drink. It was only until I started like working at Starbucks that I tried
That's
eggnog
what I thought
and
like
cider.
white America ate for Christmas. Because I didn't know anybody that had that flavor for Christmas. None of my friends even had it.
Oh, right.
I
Right,
just
because
thought
you didn't even grow up in a neighborhood.
That's what you saw in like a Chevy Chase movie for
Right.
Christmas.
Yep.
You know?
Is this one of those things where none of us actually eat
Have-
that? Has any of us
Have
done
any of us
this?
eaten that? Wow, this doesn't taste like Christmas at all. What is this crap?
No. The point that we're trying to get at is that there are distinctive flavors that we think of, like cranberry, cinnamons, nutmegs, orange, vanilla, cookies, sugar cookies.
But those flavor associations aren't really that big culturally for Christmas in Japan.
Right, because Christmas in Japan doesn't have a long history because it's not a Christian culture.
And I just don't think they watch Chevy Chase movies like
That's
I
it.
did.
I mean, if you grew up
That's
watching
it.
Chevy Chase, you'd know.
Right?
And that's not to say that there aren't Japanese Christmas traditions. This is the one that's the most interesting to every foreigner that first arrives in Japan. It's the Christmas KFC special. So basically what happened was KFC had some dope marketing strategies. Apparently in the 1970s, they started campaigning that Christmas and KFC go together. I mean, it makes sense. We usually do turkey, right? Apparently it caught on and now everybody even pre-orders their KFC Christmas specials months in advance. And I even asked my friends, I'm like, oh, it must be like a special KFC Christmas recipe. Nah, It's just KFC chicken. There's no difference. The only difference is it's a Christmas combo. So it comes with like a cake or it comes with like a special thing for Christmas. That's it. Well done, KFC. My hats are off to you. Martina, you should go inside. What's that? You want me to go inside and try some KFC? Nah, sorry, I've had so much better chicken after living in Korea. You live in Korea and you're like, what is this KFC? And you like smack it off the table, so I can't really go back. Once you go Korean fried chicken, that's it for life.
Merry Christmas, Ducky.
These are face masks and it has nothing to do with the video. We are just so cold that we came in here to stall, so. Ooh. Oh, here, this is amazing. This is what I was looking for. Oh, it's a foam liner that sticks into your face mask so that your glasses don't steam up. Because I wore my mask here because I'm still sick and I took it off for the video for you guys, but I've just been infecting the city.
Category is grocery store realness. Oh no. Did she just go out in public like that? With the what?
I'm sick.
Yes, you are. What? Wearing out in public. Who's ready for a shitty Christmas?
Oh yeah. The only thing that's tackier than my jacket is this.
Gotcha, Pinmuku.
Oh, we're getting it, sir. Excuse me.
Look, I'm done with all this filming outside nonsense. I'm old and I'm cold. I'm trying to convey information to you, but I'm not National Geographic. We're gonna do the rest of this indoors. Think of the penguin. Oh, killer whales.
No.
David Attenborough.
No.
Christmas cakes. Christmas cakes are a thing in Japan. Order them. You could either go to a grocery store and fill out a flyer and get yourself a Christmas cake, or you could get them at convenience stores as well. You could get them even at like little bakeries. You pre-order your cake. There's not a distinct flavor that you have for the Christmas cake. You could just be like, oh, I'm gonna get a Christmas cake, kind of like a birthday cake. There are many different kinds of birthday cakes.
That's a really good way to say it. You know? It's more about having the cake than it being a flavor.
It's the cake that's the really big deal of it. What is the point of these tiny ass forks? Do I look like I want to nibble my cake, or do I want to shove it down my throat as fast as I can? This is not the right utensil for the job. I really like your choice of sweater. Matches mine. Very nice. Why are you eating my cake?
The reason I came here to eat your cake was to actually say that I heard strawberry and cream cake is a traditional Christmas flavor in Japan. It's not like it is the flavor. People get lots of different kinds of cakes, but from what I heard was, well, growing up as a kid, my mom always got like the strawberry and cream Christmas cake.
Also, what we're doing in this video is kind of Japanese tradition for Christmas because it's less considered a family holiday as much as it's considered a dating holiday. So for today's video, Martina and I went on a date. We had matching sweaters.
Check.
We went and we had some cake together.
Check.
And we had some desserts and treats.
Check.
We
Coffee.
took pictures of each other.
Check.
And now we're gonna go home
and edit this video.
and edit this video.
just like
dating, just like going on a
holiday
date.
Tradition. Ah, Christmas lingerie. The first thing that pops to mind when I think of warm Christmas cheer, putting on tiny, skimpy, lacy underpants. Perfect for this time of year. Just like how delicious my hair is. Nom 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 nom. But for real, there is a lot of stuff involving dating happening during Christmas time in Japan because Christmas is actually more considered to be a dating holiday. That really shook me when I first heard it because to me, Christmas is very much like family oriented. Even if you wanted to hang out with your girlfriend or boyfriend, your parents would be like, that's not happening. You might exchange gifts at some point, but it was really generally a Christmas holiday. Here, it doesn't have the same associations, probably because no one's really Christian here. I mean, there is Christianity, but it's not like the #1 hype choice. There's like Shintoism and Buddhism. Yeah, so pretty much the way that I think of Christmas in Japan is it's a dating holiday. It's the kind of thing where people go clubbing and wear like Santa type cute clothing and meet other people, and a lot of the hotels are apparently super booked on Christmas Eve. So it's a lot more of like a Valentine's Day in Japan than it is so much a family-oriented family holiday. Did I say family twice?
You did.
Ugh.
I am the memes of October past.
That's gonna be Kichijoji's Christmas tree. It's October 16th. You need to chill with your proactive decoration, Kichijoji. That's not even Halloween. That's blasphemy. I should climb that and pull that down.
You know
That's
what?
offensive to my culture.
I think that my fat candy eating culture wants to say that. I remember last year that Christmas tree was covered in pumpkins, and I went, what the heck? And then it became a Christmas tree. They're trying to double up. You can't make a Christmas pumpkin. I've been trying to figure out why I've been recording my finger for the past 20 minutes.
Because you have your finger in front of the lens.
This one.
That's what old people do.
I know, but I tried every single finger, but that finger wouldn't operate. Oh,
Do you need me to connect to the Wi-Fi network for you?
I think
Do you need me to reset your router?
Wait, it's not finished. How do I turn this around? Wait, is my thumb in front of the camera? I think my thumb's... Mom, your thumb's in front of the camera. Mom!
We found a house with Christmas lights. Don't look at Martina's terrible jacket. Come on, showing everyone your style, girl. Whoa.
Listen,
You just...
this is a complicated...
supposed to be a Christmas video. Look at these lights.
This is a complicated
But you're
explanation.
just blinded by...
Let me explain this. When we first moved to Japan, our clothing didn't ship on time. So we didn't have any clothing and it got cold and I had to buy this awful jacket.
Hey, what's under
Uniqlo.
your jacket?
It is the matching Uniqlo sweater because it was the only color left in my size. It was like February.
Christmas time is here. Loud for all to hear. Look at her clothes. Oh, no. Well, this house here has a teeter-tottering Santa with that. And what I really want to know is, why did you go out in this jacket? I mean, like, you have many other jackets. You shouldn't be going out in public like this at all. But Merry Christmas, I guess. And this place is really going overboard with their lights. Got palm trees. Look at all this shit here. They have a little letterboard there that tells you when their lights are going to be on. And with those lights, you can really just see how awful this jacket is. I mean, God, why?
I'm sorry.
You're supposed to be my fashion icon here. You just...
I'm sorry.
You have so many better jackets than this. Before we film the rest of this video, Martina's had a really rough past couple of weeks, so I'm going to give her one of her Christmas presents in advance, and you could see it at the end of this video. Really hope she likes it. I love you, girl. Hang in there, sunshine. Hey, memers, don't interrupt me. I'm trying to be sentimental here and shit. Hey, girl, what do you think?
Baby, move your
Oh, yeah. Matching onesies.
Okay.
Merry early Christmas, girl.
Ducky, this is amazing.
Yeah, we got...
Why haven't we gotten this earlier in our lives? I feel like we've really strongly been missing out. It's got pockets.
It's got extra pockets.
It's got a little zipper for your pee-pee, to pee in the middle of the night, which obviously won't help me much. These are amazing!
I'm glad you like it, girl.
I was so happy when I came home and you said early Christmas and I opened it up and I was like, ah! And then I said, I really hope we can get a matching one for you. And you were like, wow. And we went into the closet and I was so
I
thrilled.
pulled it out.
So as you can see, Japan has its own Christmas culture, but I think for us, it's not quite what we're used to.
And since we've been living overseas for like over 10 years
Yeah.
now, one of the important things that we found is we have to bring some of our cultures with us whenever we travel. So I messaged my parents and they actually mailed me some O. Henrys and I put them right in the freezer. And now this feels like a childhood Christmas with a good frozen O. Henry bar.
Wow, you're really crunching away on that frozen bar.
So painful. So festive. And the thing is, I only wanted a couple, but they said 24.
Well, we'll just keep it for next year and the year after.
So I don't know what I'm gonna do with
that.
them. Thanks, Mom and Dad. I love you so much.
My mom sent us Hershey Kisses, and then she also sent us those marshmallow Santas and marshmallow snowmen that look nothing like them from like Laura Secord, which is a Canadian company. And of course, we have here Bulk Barn Gravy Mix because these are the kind of things that you really really miss, and it makes it extremely special when you're able to have like that home feeling of what happens at Christmas.
So even though our Christmas culture is very different than Japanese Christmas culture, and probably very different from your culture, I think the one thing that we could agree on is no matter what your background or your religion or your race or your age, in Christmas we could all agree that the most important thing is putting your pets into Christmas costumes. Come here, fat boy. Your time has come.
It's happening, bud.
Oh, jeez. You're doing great. You're doing great. You're doing great at this.
Go for it, buddy.
If you do, I'll never forgive. Please don't put me in.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this Christmas special with Christmas memes. Memers is particularly mad about the whole thing, but
Look how fat this is on you. You don't even need it to be this big. I think you lost weight since last year, Chubby.
Come on, boy. Oh, yeah.
Well-
Meow, 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 meow,
meow, meow, meow. I hate
meow,
you
meow,
guys. Well, that's it for this week's video.